Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how we can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy S10. So there are two ways. The first one is to use the buttons. So we need the power button and the volume down button for it. If you press these both buttons, you will have a capture. And after you are able to crop it or to edit it or share it directly. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button at the same time, and done. You have a screenshot. So the second method, you need your hand like this, and with the edge of the hand you swipe across the screen and you will have a screenshot as well. One more time, the hand like this and across the screen like this, and you will have a screenshot as well. After you will find the pictures at the gallery, and as you can see I have already some toys, and yeah, on the category album it has his own folder named screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao!